There's a list. Save this until the end, just like we can remember time. Yeah. Hi, this is Kenneth speaking, and I'm 10 years old, and when I want to be an engineer when I grow up. Here you go. Hi, Rachel speaking. Hi, I'm the one who created that YouTube account with Caitlin. Because she's my bestie.
Oh yeah, me too.
And
You got
by the way,
list.
I'm the lead.
You got list of standing, bro. Maybe sir won't even take it.
Bye.
I'll make the sound, you make the face. Okay, what do we do next? My turn.
You're a cutie.
Ready, steady, go.
You're a cutie.